the adoption of the RPL. I want to give you an example of our experience in Kisumu with the president. We found a ship, MV Uhuru, which had been left there since the collapse of the community. The ship was now completely derelict. We looked for experts, but we were given quotations which were very, very heavy indeed. But we looked for those who used to work for the Eastern African community, those who are in the marine industry. Some of them are now retired, just living at home. And we brought them on board. They were able immediately to identify the spare parts in some of the stores there at the port. They also had the knowledge of the sources of other spare parts from companies in the UK. Those who were procured, these mechanics went into that ship, and within a matter of days or weeks, they completely overhauled the engine of the ship and repaired it completely, and it was able to be taken back to water, and it is now actually plying route Kisumu to Port Bell in Kampala. It is basically a demonstration of the skills that we have in this country. Our furniture makers at various geographical points across the country